Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we'll learn how to install Pandas in Windows 10 machine in Python. So let's start. If you're new to my channel, subscribe the channel, like the video. So open command prompt, type as cmd, and we'll go to Python. Let's try to import Python Pandas. So it's saying no module Pandas. So let's try to install npm pip install Pandas. It's take a little time according to your internet speed. So Pandas install. Let's try to import again. So you can see Pandas installed successfully. So let's try to write a simple example program. Import Pandas as let's try to print that array. So you can see our Pandas is installed and we use that for basic example. Good luck guys. If you're in curious section, feel free to comment below, subscribe the channel, like the video.